अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? आपके सामने एक तस्वीर है, इसको ज़रा गौर से देखिए। What will happen if I disturb one block? अगर मैं इनमें से एक भी ब्लॉक को ख़राब कर दूं, तो बाकी सारे ब्लॉक्स जो हैं वो भी गिर जाएंगे, है ना? All the blocks will fall down. Students, waves travel in a medium in the same way. एंड आज का हमारा टॉपिक भी वेव्स है। क्या आपको पता है what exactly is a wave? A wave is a disturbance traveling through a medium or in a vacuum. मिसाल के तौर पे कभी आपने समंदर देखा है? उसमें जो पानी होता है और जैसे लहरों में कोई डिस्टर्बेंसेस आ रही होती हैं, आपने कभी देखा है? The wave formation of the disturbance in water is shown in the figure in front of you. आप जहां टच करेंगे डिस्टर्बेंस वहां से आपको नजर आएगी। फॉर इंस्टेंस, व्हेन यू ड्रॉप अ बॉल इनटू द वाटर, some of the water is pushed aside and raised by the ball. In this way, the wave is generated and transmitted from one point to another. Students, waves transfer energy without transferring matter. Ripples पता है आपको क्या होते हैं? आपने बचपन में पत्थर तो फेंके होंगे पानी के अंदर। जब आप पत्थर फेंकते हैं पानी में तो क्या होता है? राउंड राउंड सर्कल्स बन जाते हैं, राइट? दोज आर कॉल्ड रिपल्स। वेव्स सिर्फ पानी में नहीं होती। वी कैन हैव वाटर वेव्स, वी कैन हैव लाइट वेव्स, साउंड वेव्स एंड इवन माइक्रोवेव्स। बेसिकली द वाइब्रेशंस दैट प्रोपगेट आर अ वेव। A wave is an oscillation that travels. आपको पता है कि ऐसा क्या मटेरियल है जिसके थ्रू वेव्स मूव करती हैं? क्योंकि हमने शुरू में पढ़ा that waves need medium to travel through. अभी मीडियम क्या होता है? The substance that waves travel through and need to have in order to move is called a medium. For example, water waves travel in water and sound waves need air as a medium to travel through. पर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हम वेव्स के बारे में आज पढ़ ही क्यों रहे हैं? Because students, waves are all around us. Where? We have waves around us in the form of water waves, sound waves, light waves, radio waves, waves produced in a spring, and many more types of waves. And you remember I've told you that waves carry energy. हमें ये तो पता है that energy can be transferred from one place to another. But ये कैसे होती हैं? वेव्स के थ्रू भी होती हैं, yes. वेव बिल्कुल एक बस जैसी होती है which carries different forms of energy along it. इसको समझने के लिए वापस वाटर वेव्स पे आते हैं। Water waves move to the shore but don't pile up in the shore. It means that waves only transmit energy, not the particles of the medium. Waves की basically दो types होती हैं, and based on the medium of propagation, known two terms of the wave of mechanical waves and electromagnetic waves. The types of waves most commonly studied in classical physics are mechanical and electromagnetic waves. Let's look at mechanical waves first. Mechanical waves वो waves होती हैं which propagate through a material medium, solid, liquid or gas, at a wave speed which depends on the elastic and inertial properties of that medium. Examples में हमारे पास आती हैं rope waves, surface water waves and sound waves. Mechanical waves are waves that require a medium to propagate. For example, water waves या ocean waves, guitar and cello strings की waves, sound waves, earthquake waves, and waves that travel through a rope or a spring. Remember, mechanical waves need a medium and they require the particles of the medium to vibrate in order for energy to be transferred. Basically, a mechanical wave is a local deformation in some physical medium, that propagates from particle to particle by creating local stresses that causes strain in neighboring particles too. For example, sound waves are variations of the local pressure and particle motion that propagate through the medium. Other examples of mechanical waves are seismic waves, gravity waves, surface waves, and string vibrations. Now let's talk about the other type of waves, जिसको हम कहते हैं electromagnetic waves. While the electromagnetic waves are the waves that propagate without the need for a medium. For example, light waves. In an electromagnetic wave, energy is interchanged between the electric and magnetic fields, which sustains the propagation of a wave. Electromagnetic waves can travel through a vacuum and through some dielectric media. Electromagnetic waves, according to the frequencies or wavelengths, have more specific designations, including radio waves, infrared radiation, terahertz waves, visible light, ultraviolet radiation, X-rays, and gamma rays. Mechanical wave की further हमारे पास types आती हैं. Longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Based on the direction of vibration and creeping wave, there are two types of waves of longitudinal and transverse waves. Let's look at transverse waves first. In transverse waves, the particles of the medium vibrates perpendicularly to the direction of the propagation of the wave, and they are made up of hills, which are known as crests, and valleys, which are known as troughs. Transverse waves consists of the following parts. Amplitude, which is the maximum height the water rises above the level surface. The amplitude of a wave is related to the energy which it transports. Wavelength, which is the distance between two consecutive crests or troughs. Crests, which is a point on a wave, is the maximum value of upward displacement within a cycle. A crest is a point on a surface wave where the displacement of the medium is at the maximum. Trough, which is the opposite of a crest, so the minimum or the lowest point in a cycle. Then we have longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves are waves whose direction of vibration is parallel to the direction of creeping waves. For example, sound waves. And the parts of a longitudinal waves include compression, which is a region where the coils are pressed together in a small amount of space, and rarefaction, a region where the coils are spread apart, thus maximizing the distance between coils. Simple harmonic motion is the repetitive movement that is back and forth through an equilibrium or central position, so that the maximum displacement on one side of this position is equal to the maximum displacement on the other side. Some examples include motion of a mass attached to a spring, या एक simple pendulum, या ball and ball system. Students, आपने कभी सोचा है कि हीलियम बलून्स के अंदर वाली हवा जब हम इनहेल कर लेते हैं तो हमारी आवाज़ इतनी स्क्वीकी सी और अजीब सी क्यों हो जाती है? The reason is because helium is lighter than air and sound waves travel through it faster. In a room where the temperature is 68 degrees Fahrenheit, sound travels at 344 meters a second through air, but 927 meters a second through helium. अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. Number 1. A wave is a disturbance traveling through a medium or in a vacuum. Number 2. Waves which propagate through a material medium, solid, liquid, or gas are mechanical waves. Number 3. The electromagnetic waves are the waves that propagate without the need for a medium. Number 4. Based on the direction of vibration, there are two types of waves of longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Number 5. Transverse wave is a wave whose vibration direction perpendicular to the direction of creeping waves. Number 6. Longitudinal waves are waves whose direction of vibration is parallel to the direction of creeping. Number 7. Simple harmonic motion is the repetitive movement that is back and forth through an equilibrium or central position. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Cell phones use this type of EM radiation. A. Radio waves. B. Microwaves. C. Ultraviolet radiation. D. X-rays. Number 2. Electromagnetic waves are different from mechanical waves because A. Electromagnetic waves have both electrical and magnetic properties. B. Electromagnetic waves only travel through a medium. C. Electromagnetic waves travel slower than the mechanical waves. D. Electromagnetic waves are not emitted from the sun. Number 3. Longitudinal waves A. Move up and down and perpendicular. B. Move back and forth and parallel. Question number 4. The higher the amplitude of a wave, A. The longer the wavelength it has. B. The more energy it has. Number 5. The above figure represents A. The crest. B. The amplitude. C. The wavelength. D. The trough. Question number 6. This figure above represents A. Wavelength. B. Crest. C. Trough. D. Amplitude. Question number 7. Frequency of a wave is measured in units called A. Joules. B. Hertz. C. Newtons. D. Seconds. Question number 8. Sound is an example of A. An electromagnetic wave. B. A mechanical wave. Question number 9. Mechanical waves A. Must travel through a medium. B. Can only travel through space. C. Travel at the speed of light. Question number 10. All EM waves A. Travel at the speed of light. B. Are longitudinal. C. Are mechanical waves. Question number 11. A disturbance that carries energy through matter or space is called A. Electricity. B. Wave. C. A magnet. Question number 12. Which EM wave has the most energy? A. Radio waves. B. Ultraviolet rays. C. Microwaves. D. Visible light. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.